Welcome back to easylaw.in, your one-stop platform for easy and smart legal drafting. Need to create an affidavit? Don't worry, EasyLaw makes it simple. Step 1. Visit easylaw.in on your browser. Step 2. Go to the Generate Documents section. Step 3. Choose Generate Affidavit from the list. Now, fill in all the necessary details like your name, address, and purpose of the affidavit. Step 4. Click on Generate Affidavit AI. And within seconds, your document is automatically generated and downloaded, fully formatted and ready to use. No long typing, no confusion, just quick and professional affidavit drafting made simple. Try it today at easylaw.in, making legal documentation easy for everyone.